8 Subject, Science topic, Cell structure and function. Value of the chapter. Every living entity is valuable. 1. Tick the correct option. A. Which of the following is not an eukaryotic organism? I. Plants. C. Animals. E. Fungi. IV. Bacteria. Answer, bacteria. B. Which of the following is true about plastids? I. They are found only in animal cells. E. All plastids contain chlorophyll. E. They are found only in plant cells. IV. They are found only in prokaryotic cells. Answer, they are found only in plant cells. C. Which of the following are absent in plant cells? I. Ribosomes. E. Centrioles. E. Vacuoles. IV. Mitochondria. Answer, centrioles. D. Which of the following equations correctly represents the cytoplasm of the cell? I. Protoplasm equals cell membrane plus nucleus, cytoplasm. E. Protoplasm equals cytoplasm plus nucleus. E. Protoplasm equals nucleus plus cell membrane. IV. Protoplasm equals cell membrane plus cytoplasm. Answer, protoplasm equals cytoplasm plus nucleus. 8 Science. Science 20-21 page 2. 2. Fill in the blanks. A. Chromosomes carry genes which are responsible for transfer of characters from the parents to the offspring. B. Animal cells often show presence of many small vacuoles. C. Mitochondria are responsible for the synthesis of adenosine triphosphate. D. A semi-fluid substance that fills up the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus is called cytoplasm. A. Vacuole help in storing various substances such as food, enzymes and waste products for a short period of time. 3. State whether the following statements are true T or false F. A. Golgi bodies are associated with protein synthesis. False. B. Prokaryotic cells lack a well-organized nucleus. True. C. Protoplasm is the jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. False. D. Rudolf Virchow stated that every cell arises from pre-existing cells. True. A. Lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags. True. 8 Science. Science 20-21 page 3. 4. Match the following. Column A. Column B. A. Prokaryotic cell lacks nucleus. I. Play an important role in cell division. B. Centrioles and centromeres play an important role in cell division. E. Flexible boundary of a cell. C. Mitochondria, small double membrane. E. Lacks nucleus. D. Plasma membrane, flexible boundary of a cell. IV. Small double membraned. 5. Answer the following questions in one word or a sentence. A. Name the thread-like structure protruding from the cell membrane of a prokaryotic cell which helps it in movement. Answer, flagella. B. What is endoplasmic reticulum? Answer, a network of membranous tubes that connect the cell membrane with the nuclear membrane. C. Which is the powerhouse of a cell? Answer, mitochondria. D. Name the organelles that help in digestion of foreign bodies and worn-out cell parts. Answer, lysosomes. A. Name the plastids containing chlorophyll. Answer, chloroplast. 8 Science. Science 20-21 page 4. 6. Answer the following questions in short. A. What are Golgi bodies? Answer, Golgi bodies are found located near the nucleus. They modify the proteins made by the ribosomes and help in their transportation to various organelles and to the plasma membrane. B. State the significance of the cell wall in plant cells. Answer. Plants are generally exposed to extreme environmental conditions during summer, winter and monsoon. They need protection against variations in temperature, high wind speed, atmospheric moisture etc. The cell wall provides extra protection to the plant's cells in such adverse conditions. C. What are plastids? Give one example of a plastid. Answer. Plastids are membrane-bound organelles found only in plant cells. Some of them contain green-colored pigments called chlorophyll. These green-colored plastids are called chloroplasts. 7. Give reason. A. Lysosomes are called suicidal bags. Answer. Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles found in eukaryotic cells which contain certain enzymes that help in digestion of foreign bodies and worn-out cell parts. Hence they are also known as suicidal bags. B. The nucleus can be compared to the brain of a cell. Answer. Nucleus controls all the activities of the cell, hence it is the brain of the cell. 8. Science. Science 20-21 page 5. 8. Answer the following questions in details. A. List 3 differences between plant cells and animal cells. Plant cells, animal cells. Plant cell is usually larger in size. Animal cell is comparatively smaller in size. Plant cells contain a rigid cell wall in addition to cell membrane. Animal cells lack cell wall. They only show presence of plasma membrane. Plant cells show presence of plastids like chloroplasts. Animal cells do not have plastids. Most of the mature plant cells show presence of single large vacuole. Animal cells often show presence of many small vacuoles. Centrioles and centrosomes are absent in plant cells. Centrioles and centrosomes are present in plant cells. 8. Science. Science 20-21 page 6. B. How do bacterial cells differ from animal cells? Answer. The nucleus in bacterial cell is not well organized. It lacks the nuclear membrane. It also lacks other organelles like mitochondria and Golgi bodies. C. State the cell theory. Answer. All living organisms are composed up of one or more cells. The cell is the fundamental unit of structure and function in all living things. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. D. Give examples of functions of cells according to their structure. Answer. Examples of functions of cells according to their structure are: I. The white blood cells are irregular in shape and function to protect us from foreign invaders like bacteria, viruses etc. E. The red blood cells are round and concave due to which they can easily squeeze through the narrow blood capillaries. E. Smooth muscle cells are found to be long and pointed at both the ends showing a spindle shape. IV. The nerve cells are elongated and show branching. Their structure resembles a star with a long tail. The extensions of the nerve cells help in passage of chemical and electrical messages throughout the body. 8. Science. Science 20-21 page 7. 10. Practical based question. Suhani and her classmate were taken to the biology lab where their teacher showed them a plant cell under the microscope. The teacher explained the structure of a plant cell and also pointed out the main difference between a plant cell and an animal cell. Plant cells have an additional membrane known as cell wall which is absent in animal cells. Suhani wants to know if the cell wall of plant cells has any specific function. Answer the following. A. What is the function of the cell wall in plants? Answer. The cell wall provides extra protection to the plant cells in such adverse conditions. Although cell wall is flexible, it provides strength and structural support to the cell and protects the plant from physical damage. To some extent, the cell wall also controls the entry and exit of certain molecules in and out of the cell. 11. HOTS, higher order thinking skills. A. If an animal cell and a plant cell are exposed to conditions such as high temperature or moisture, which one would survive better? Answer: plant cell, because the cell wall provides extra protection to the plant's cells. B. A cell consists of many organelles, however, we do not consider any of them as a structural and functional unit of life. Why? Answer: because it cannot survive independently.